What's up, guys? I'm Zach with Zero Designs, and today is the 13th. And if you're looking at the calendar, we're talking PPE. So yeah, I take safety pretty serious in the shop. I don't like to skimp anywhere, So this is some of the examples of the PPE that I use. Uh, as you can see, the whole table in front of me is full of all sorts of safety equipment. There's a lot of PPE for different tasks. Um, Obviously, I'm being a little dramatic here and just playing, but I got these gloves here. I use when I'm doing the Shishuki bond. That stuff is filthy, it's nasty, it's dirty. So usually I got my safety glasses. I got my heavy duty work gloves in case I get hit with the brush, and typically I'll be wearing some type of a face mask. Um, these are for when I got a whittling set. I've been kind of tinkering around with that a little bit. Haven't had a whole lot of time with it, but these are the cut proof gloves for that. I don't know why anybody has these. Safety glasses, hearing protection, and then I don't know. Some people consider it to be PPE. I do. It's personally protecting me. So we got like your grippers, your push sticks, your feather boards, stuff like that. PPE is very important. I want one of those like nice heavy duty leather aprons with like the pockets and stuff. I just haven't got around to having the expendable cash for one yet. But those are good too because then you're not carrying all the wood chips in or splinters and stuff in your clothes. I take the air gun. I always blow all my stuff off before I go inside. I know a lot of people say it's not recommended, but I've been doing it forever and nothing's ever happened. So yeah, long story short, personal protective equipment is very important. Everything should have some safety equipment at it. If you've watched some of my earlier videos, I made storage compartments on all my tools, or all my saws and stations and whatnot, and all of them have safety glasses and stuff like that. So I always have that stuff everywhere. Safety is very important. Safety first, then teamwork. Always wear shoes in the house. That's my tip for the day as well. So I'm Zach with Zebra Designs. I gotta get to work. I will see you guys tomorrow.